Hello everybody and welcome to Chef Dawg. Today, we're doing Bagel Bites, pizza snacks from Costco. Went to Costco yesterday. Oh, and by the way, they're $8.99 and right now, it's a buy one, get one. That's why we decided to do it. We tested them out, they tasted great. But bagels, little pizza bagels. That's how they come. You cook them for about, 16 minutes. And you get 12 in a pack. So we're gonna try these out. That's how they look. Great little snacks on bagels. Buy one, get one right now at Costco, $8.99. Preheating our oven up to 425. And I'll set the timer for 16 minutes. Come back and check it. Okay, we've had it in here for about 2 minutes,
No, you can have that.
Oh, okay, hey, we'll see if they added that. We have about 2 minutes left, but they are done. So apparently, you don't want to put them in for 16 minutes. You want to put them in for maybe more like 14 or even 12. But we do have a convection oven. I don't know, maybe they cook faster. I guess they do. There you go. There are your bagel bites. I'm gonna let it cool off just a little bit. And then we're gonna have some people come and test. Ooh, yummy. Test these out. We got our neighbor, Ben Hess. Come here, Ben. Yeah, Ben. Bring my wife. Come here, beautiful. Come here, Ben. This is Ben. Ben Hess. Y'all know Shauna here, my wife. But if you guys want to try one, try one. Now, I love ranch dressing and I love dipping that with my pizzas. This is a cilantro lime ranch dressing, cilantro lime thing. You can get that at Costco as well. I've showed it before. I did it with my tacos, but I do this with my pizza too. Hey, you gotta give a review. Ben, how old are you?
13.
So this is coming from some young 13-year-old guy. What does he think?
Toasty.
Toasty. That's how he describes it. Toasty. That would make sense as we just put it in the oven. Yeah, you can see the bottom of it. See? That's about, again, 14 minutes. They're done. But yeah, a quick fun snack. So I hope you enjoy. Well, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Remember, buy one, get one right now at Costco. See ya.